Good morning, students, and happy Friday. So, you may notice that on your schedule you have math blocked off and also language blocked off. And the reason for that is if you have not completed one or more of your MAPS tests, it is important that you complete it today. We're going to try to not extend it to next week, but we will if we have to. However, if you know that you are not completed with your MAPS tests, please let me know so that I can be available for you and launch them for you. So that is why math and language are not filled with lessons, as we need to make sure that we get those MAPS tests completed as soon as possible. So for writing and reading, just remember that you are to complete your assignments for Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. This week and last week were pretty simple. Next week, we will do 2 chapters in one day and see how that works, and that will be fun. So just make sure that today you have all of your assignments organized and completed to send over for your reading. Also, reading log. So I realized that I did not send you a copy of the reading log, but you should have one from the first week of school. Otherwise, it's important that you complete a reading log. So let me know if there's any trouble with that, since there wasn't a copy sent this week, but you should be reading 20 minutes a day. Yes, you may add the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe for 2 of the days, since we did read it together, but no more than 2 days for those who have asked. And then for spelling, so because this has been a 5-day week and we have completed all of our spelling assignments in the book, you will see that today you have definitions. So you do not have to do the definitions for all of the list words, but you do have to do the pattern words. So the first 12, so I'm just going to do a little arrow, the first 12 words in list 5, you're going to use the spelling dictionary in the back of the book and write the definition for the pattern words, because normally we would have a test today, but I will be averaging out your grade for the book and the definitions for your final grade for the week for spelling. So we do not have science today, but you do have a little bit of history. Now, you are learning about the ancient Middle East and then the Phoenicians. So we have a few comprehension checks, and what I would like for you to do is let me know if you're having a hard time reading. Now, I've heard from most of you that you are doing okay reading it all on your own, but I like to do read-alongs, and I did them for science, and I would like to do them for history. So please let me know if you need help reading page 22 through 29 for this week, so you're better able to complete your comprehension checks. And then another thing is, just remember that for life skills, you do not have a worksheet assignment for life skills this week. However, we are still practicing communication, so that means that you should have already sent me at least 1 email this week. I would have liked 2, just to let me know how your weekend was, and then for the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, what is the thing that you liked best about your book project, and also what you're looking forward to this weekend. And this is just a way to keep in communication with me and just get used to checking emails, sending emails. If you are one that doesn't have access to email all the time, you can send me a text or WhatsApp, but I just would like for you to get into the habit of that. So today will be much simpler if you have completed all your MAPS tests. And if that's so, then just make sure you have gathered all your work, that you do your spelling definitions, and all of your reading material is completed, and then send it over. And I hope that you have a wonderful weekend.